Another method of defense in the innate immune system is oxidative or non-oxidative attacks. So in non-oxidative attacks, lysosomes with like a proteolytic enzymes, lysosomes and other types of enzymes merge with the phagosome to form a phagolysosome, and these then destroy the pathogen. Whereas in oxidative attacks, it uses reactive oxygen and nitrogen species to destroy the pathogen. So in an oxidative attack, you'd have a binding of something called a PRR, which is a pathogen pathogen recognition receptor, and which targets to a PAMP, which is a pathogen associated molecular pattern, and it can do one of two things. So it can either activate a membrane associated NADPH oxidase. This then causes a respiratory burst, which is the increase of oxygen consumption. This produces the reactive oxygen species such as superoxide or H2O2, which then destroy the pathogen. Another one which it can cause is it binds again to the PAMP, and this causes activation of the inducible nitric oxide synthase, which is lowercase I NOS, if you want to abbreviate it. This then makes reactive nitrogen species such as nitric oxide, which again destroys the pathogen. We always have reactive oxygen species like at a minimal level in the body, but when this respiratory burst happens, it increases by a lot to kill them. And I've just noticed at the very end, I've put kill phagocytes pathogens. It should be kills phagocytes and pathogens, and I have spelled phagolysosome wrong earlier.